In today's video, I'm going to teach you Zendrop pricing and plans breakdown. Let's walk through exactly what Zendrop offers so you can decide which plan makes the most sense for your dropshipping business and how the costs change once you connect it to Shopify. Zendrop currently has three main pricing tiers: the free or starter plan, the pro plan, and the plus plan. Each one is designed for a different stage of your journey. The free or starter plan costs $0 per month. With this, you get access to the Zendrop platform itself, so you can log in, look around, and see how everything works. You'll be able to browse the product catalog and get basic support from their team. However, this plan is very limited in terms of what you can actually do. You won't be able to fully run a dropshipping store on it. Key actions like importing products into your store and having Zendrop fulfill your orders for you require upgrading to a paid plan. So think of the free plan as a way to explore the platform and get comfortable with the interface before committing any money. Next is the pro plan. This is where Zendrop really becomes useful for an active store. The pro plan is $49 per month or $399 per year if you pay annually at a discount. With Pro, you unlock automated order fulfillment, which means when a customer buys from your store, Zendrop can handle the back-end process for you. You also get unlimited orders, so you're not capped as you grow. Other important benefits include custom branding and packaging options, access to US-based products for potentially faster shipping, and product sourcing tools to help you find items to sell. This plan is best suited for small businesses or beginners who are already running or are ready to run a real dropshipping operation. The top tier is the Plus plan. This costs $79 per month or $549 per year with the annual discount. Plus includes everything in the Pro plan and then builds on it with more advanced features. You get access to Zendrop Academy training to help you learn strategy and best practices, weekly live coaching calls for ongoing support, and a trending product finder to stay ahead of what's selling right now. You'll also see options for private product listings, chargeback management to help with disputes, and print-on-demand tools if you want to create custom products. This is designed for sellers who are serious about scaling and want extra guidance and resources. Now, if you're using Shopify and connecting it with Zendrop, there's an additional usage-based billing layer to be aware of. This is based on how many products you actually link to your Shopify store. On the free tier of this usage model, you can have 0 linked products. At $29 per month, you can link between 1 and 20 products. At $49 per month, that increases to 21 to 100 linked products. And at $79 per month, which is capped, you can link 101 or more products without additional charges for adding more. Zendrop also offers a 3-day trial period so you can test this Shopify integration before fully committing. So, to summarize your decision making, use the free plan just to explore the platform, move to Pro when you're actively running a store and need automation and better features, and choose Plus if you want advanced tools, coaching, and help with scaling. Then, on top of that, keep an eye on the Shopify usage-based pricing if you're connecting your store, especially as your number of linked products grows.